Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss some numericals based on reflection of light. Remember one thing, before solving any question, देखना है क्या data given है, then find out which formula would fit into the problem, then solve it. So come to the first question. The first question is, the radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 20 centimeter. What is its focal length? So here the data is given. Radius of curvature denoted as R. So R is 20 centimeter and you have to find out the value of F. You know the formula, R is equal to 2 times of focal length, 2F. So implies F is equal to R by 2. So here R is given 20 centimeter divided by 2, that is equal to 10 centimeter. But here spherical mirror is given. If spherical mirror given, then you can put the value of R and F as positive. But in the special case, if any concave mirror or convex mirror is given, then the value of F or R will be different. That means you have to consider the sign convention part. Clear? Then second question. The second question is, find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. So here which mirror is given? Convex mirror is given. So first draw the convex mirror to find out the sign convention. Here convex mirror. So this is convex mirror, principal axis. Then यहीं कहीं पे होगा center of curvature and this one is radius of curvature. So here radius of curvature R is equal to positive. So it is given as 32 centimeter. Then you have to find out F. Put the formula, R is equal to 2F. Then F is equal to R by 2. Here R is 32 centimeter divided by 2, which will give you 16 centimeter. Clear? Then a third question, an object is placed at a distance of 8 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. Find position of image. So here क्या डाटा दिया हुआ है? इमेज कौन सी मिरर? कन्वेक्स मिरर. सो draw convex mirror. This is convex mirror and here the object will be placed here, because in case of convex mirror object will situated at this side. So what is given? Here given is U is given because object distance 8 centimeter. So U is equal to 8 centimeter. What will be the sign convention? Negative or positive? It is situated behind at the left side of mirror. So U is equal to minus 8 centimeter and focal length F is equal to 12 centimeter. What will be the sign? Focal length कहाँ होगा? यहीं कहीं पे होगा, तो इधर होगा ना focal length. So positive. Then you have to find out position of image. That means you have to find out V. So put the mirror formula here. The mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now you have to find out V. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So implies put the value 1 by F value 12 minus 1 by the value of U is minus 8. So it will give 1 by 12 plus 1 by 8. Then solve it. The LCM will be 24. Then if we divide it 12, it will give you 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 by 24 is equal to 1 by 4.8. Here See here 1 by V is equal to 1 by 4.8. So what will be the value of V? So V will be 4.8 centimeter. This is the value of V. Clear? Then next question. It is based on magnification. Before solving it, remember the trick I have told you, that if the object is real and the image formed is also real and the object is virtual and the image formed is virtual, then here the image will be inverted. If the image is inverted, then the value of magnification is equal to negative. Then alternative case, when the object is real and the image formed is virtual, and when the object is virtual and the image formed is real, in this case the image formed as erect. If the image is erect, then the value of magnification is positive. Just remember this thing. Simply you can remember, if inverted image is there, M will be negative, and if erect image is there, then M will be positive. Now come to the question. So here question is given, a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified image of object placed 10 cm in front of it where the image is located. So image कहाँ पे होगा? So मैग्निफिकेशन यहाँ दिया हुआ है, तो मैग्निफिकेशन M का वैल्यू कितना है? 3 times. So M is equal to, पहले लिख लो 3. Then ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस, कौन सा मिरर है? कनकेव मिरर. So first draw concave mirror. This is concave mirror and the object will be at this side. So what will be the sign convention of object distance? U is negative. So the object distance U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Then magnification. Here concave mirror is given. So the image will formed inverted. So M will be negative. M is equal to minus 3. आया समझ में? Then you know the formula of magnification in terms of U and V, that is M is equal to minus V by U. So implies M is given minus 3 is equal to minus V divided by U. The value of U is minus 10. Here minus will cancel out, implies minus 3 is equal to V by 10. So the value of V will be V is equal to 10 into minus 3. It will give you as V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Okay. Then next question. An object is placed at a distance of 12 cm in front of a concave mirror. It forms a real image 4 times larger than the object. Calculate the distance of image from the mirror. Again, it is based on magnification. For your practice, so write down which mirror? Again concave mirror. So image will be, object will be here, and also image will form this side only. So here U is equal to minus 12 centimeter. Then magnification is given. So M is equal to, what will be the value of magnification? Positive or negative? Because also here concave mirror is given, the image will be formed is inverted. Then M is equal to minus 4. Again put the formula, M is equal to minus V by U, implies the value of M is minus 4 is equal to minus V divided by minus 12, because U is equal to minus 12. So implies minus minus cancel out, so V is equal to 12 into minus 4 is equal to minus 48 centimeter. Clear? So in the next video I will discuss some numerical from related to refraction of light.